well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up to 10 myths about sewing swimwear. I'm sure that anytime you've planned or thought about sewing a swimming costume, someone has told you that's too difficult, you need a serger, or it won't look as good as when you buy one. But all of these are not true, and you can sew yourself nice costumes completely up to your taste, your measurements, and with much more quality than a bought one, because I'm sure the fabrics you're going to use are much better. While I am no expert in sewing Lycra, I've always had problems until I got used to my sewing machine and how it works for me. So even though I've had so many problems, I've sewn many swimming costumes, and they are still useful. I use them every summer, and every summer I sew more. And here they are. So stay with me, because these myths I always believed myself until I've realized they're not true, and you can sew yourself some swimming costumes without the hassle. So here they go. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing. My name is Irene. I love sewing, talking about sewing, and I upload twice a week, so subscribe so you don't miss anything. And I'm also on Instagram. First myth, you're going to need a serger. You cannot sew it without a serger. And this is not true, of course. You have a nicer result with a serger, but you can sew it with a zigzag stitch, and they look really nice, and they look fine, and they last as much as one with a serger. So don't listen to this, because at the end of the day, it's something you can do using the elastic stitches, the stitches that are good for elasticated fabrics in your sewing machine, which are the zigzag stitch and all of these stitches that look like a zigzag. So they are just fine, and they stretch as well. So that's what you need. You don't need a special machine. You need to understand your fabric, and if it stretches, it's a zigzag stitch. Second one, Lycra is impossible to sew. This is not true. I mean, it looks like it because it stretches and is elasticated, but it's not difficult to sew as long as you don't stretch it. What you stretch is the elastic bands, not the fabric. You just have to fit the machine the fabric it needs and not pull from it, because that's when it loses its shape and it starts being difficult. As long as you respect it, nothing bad will happen. If it's not perfect, you better throw it away. The good thing about Lycra is that it's quite forgiving. So maybe if you cut it a bit tight, it's not going to matter, because it stretches, so it's going to look nice. Sometimes we are much more critical with something when we see it on the table, because later when you try it on, it's usually fine. For example, if the elastic band looks a bit more gathered on one side and not on the other, when you put it on and it stretches, it looks nice. So don't worry as much. 4. The elastic band is everything. No, it's not. I know it's important, but as long as it stretches, more or less, I don't want to say that all elastic bands are the same, but when I started sewing, I didn't know there were special ones for swimwear, so I started using the ones I had, and they're still going. So just start using what you have, and look at this one. I've just used some underwear one. So just start sewing and see how it goes. I'll tell you how this turns out. And the fifth one is quite sad, which is thinking that you need the perfect body to be able to sew yourself a swimming costume. And on the contrary, it's the other way around. The good thing about sewing is that you can adapt the pattern to fit your body. So you don't need the perfect body, you just need to adapt this pattern to your likings and to your body. Maybe you like a wrap neckline, or maybe you like a higher opening on the leg, or maybe a lower one. It doesn't matter, you just do it the way you like it. The sixth one is the one we hear every time we're going to sew something, which is it's cheaper if you buy one. And of course, if you compare yourself to a low-cost shop, a fast fashion shop, of course that one is going to be much cheaper, but yours is going to be much more quality. So the Lycras I've got anyways are not expensive, and when I've bought lining is not expensive either. So I've got swimming costumes that maybe cost me around I don't know, less than 10 euros to make, so it's not expensive. It's never been to me. Let me know what you think. The seventh is that swimwear doesn't last. Why bother sewing it? I must say this one was the one I first made when I started sewing like regularly. It's like 5 or 6 years old. And this one as well, they are still, I wore this the other day, I've worn them loads. It's true that they are exposed to hard stuff like the chlorine, salt, sea salt, and the sun, of course. But talking from the Canary Islands, I can say that they do last, so don't be afraid of sewing one. You can only sew one kind of swimming costume, a plain, boring swimming costume, and you don't have to. I just sewed this retro style one. This one is a high-waisted one with a bandeau top. This one is a triangle shape. This one I have here, it has a pleated side. And look at this fun one with this deep V neckline. So it's the same as sewing anything. You have your pattern, your basic pattern, your block, and then you change it. You can make it asymmetrical with a ruffle. I have one of those as well. So anything you like. Oh, you need to be an expert to sew swimwear. No, you don't. It's obviously not a project someone who's starting is going to choose to make, but you don't need to be sewing for 10 years before you make your first swimwear. So you just need, again, to understand the fabric and to make it being careful about the stitches and the elastic band. And for the rest of it, it's gonna be just fine. If the first trial didn't turn out well, don't even bother making another one. Of course you have to bother. It's like sewing anything really. It's not going to turn out great the first time. For example, this first one I made, this one, it doesn't look as good. The elastic band is, you can see the elastic band on the side. It's not perfect, of course, but then for example, this one looks really nice because I put the elastic band inside and it's hidden between the fabric and the lining. And then on this one, for example, I just put the elastic band by folding all at once, so I don't stretch it too much. So you just need experience like with everything, so don't be hard on yourself and keep trying. Well, we can't deny Lycra is a bit overwhelming at first, but you just have to try it, and it's quite forgiving. So when you sew it, because it stretches and it goes tight on your body, it's not that you need to make darts or things like that. So try it because it is worth it. And don't forget to subscribe, it'll make me really happy, and that way you don't miss anything. And I'll leave you around here all the swimwear I've made.